Every year, millions of Kinder Surprise eggs are sold worldwide. These chocolate treats contain a hidden toy inside, making them a favorite among children and adults. But how did they come to be, and how are they made? Let's explore the story behind this beloved snack and take a look inside the Ferrero factory to see how these chocolate eggs are produced. The story of Kinder Surprise begins in 1968 when Michele Ferrero, an Italian candy maker, had an idea. Inspired by Italy's Easter tradition of giving children large chocolate eggs with hidden surprises, he wanted to create a smaller version that kids could enjoy all year round. Working with his team, including William Solis, Ferrero developed a chocolate egg with a toy inside. In 1974, the first Kinder Surprise eggs hit the market, quickly becoming a global sensation. Since then, over 30 billion Kinder Surprise eggs have been sold worldwide, with Germany, Russia, and the United Kingdom among the biggest consumers. At the heart of Kinder Surprise is the combination of high-quality ingredients. The chocolate is made from cocoa beans sourced mainly from West Africa, particularly the Ivory Coast. Farmers hand-harvest ripe cocoa pods, extract the beans, and leave them to ferment for 7 days to develop the distinct cocoa flavor. After fermentation, the beans are sun-dried for 10 days before being transported to the factory. There they are carefully cleaned and screened to remove impurities such as dust and stones before being stored under controlled conditions. Milk, another key ingredient, comes from dairy farms that meet strict quality standards. Sugar is extracted from sugarcane grown in tropical climates. The cane is crushed to release juice, which is filtered, purified, and crystallized into refined sugar. Once all the ingredients arrive at the factory, the chocolate production begins. The cocoa beans are processed into cocoa paste, which is then pressed to separate its two main components: cocoa butter, which gives chocolate its creamy texture, and cocoa powder, which enhances its flavor. The cocoa butter is purified before being mixed with powdered milk, sugar, and soy lecithin in precise proportions to create Kinder Surprise's signature dual-layered chocolate. The outer layer consists of smooth milk chocolate, while the inner layer is white chocolate, offering a creamier and slightly sweeter taste. To achieve a silky texture, the chocolate mixture is refined using steel rollers that compress the solid particles to a microscopic size of less than 20 microns. Next, it undergoes a process called conching, where it is continuously stirred under heat to remove bitter compounds and create a well-balanced flavor. The final step before molding is tempering, a process of controlled heating and cooling that stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals, giving the chocolate its glossy finish and a firm texture that resists melting. The tempered chocolate is stored in heated tanks at 30 degrees Celsius, where it is continuously stirred to maintain smoothness before being molded into its iconic egg shape. The process of shaping the Kinder Surprise egg begins with thoroughly cleaned and sterilized plastic molds. These molds are preheated slightly to help the chocolate flow and coat the interior evenly. Tempered milk chocolate is poured into the molds through dosing nozzles, then placed into a rotary machine that spins them in multiple directions, ensuring an even coating. The molds are then sent through a refrigerated tunnel to cool the milk chocolate layer just enough before the next step. Once hardened, a thinner layer of white chocolate is poured inside, and the molds rotate again to ensure complete coverage. While the chocolate eggs are being formed, the yellow plastic capsules that hold the surprise toys are manufactured and assembled on a separate production line. Each capsule undergoes strict safety checks before being placed inside one half of the chocolate egg by high-precision machines. Another half without a capsule is aligned perfectly on top, and the two halves are joined using light pressure and a touch of heat. This allows the chocolate to act as a natural adhesive, sealing the toy safely inside. Before being packaged, each Kinder Surprise egg undergoes thorough automated and manual inspections to ensure the halves are properly aligned and the seal is flawless. Once approved, the eggs are individually wrapped in a thin aluminum foil designed to protect them from light and moisture while preserving their freshness. The aluminum sheets are cut precisely and applied by automated machines, which seal the foil using pressure and heat. Cameras and sensors check that every egg is wrapped correctly, ensuring a consistent and recognizable Kinder Surprise design. Since 1974, the toys inside Kinder Surprise eggs have evolved. Originally, each toy was hand-painted, but now the selection includes figures from popular movies and shows, keeping the surprises exciting for children. However, it is important to note that the toys contain small parts and are not suitable for children under 3 years old due to choking hazards. Parents should always supervise young children when enjoying Kinder Surprise eggs. Once packaged, the eggs are shipped worldwide, bringing joy to millions of people every year. Combining high-quality chocolate with the excitement of a hidden toy, Kinder Surprise remains one of the most beloved treats across generations.